ऑलराइट गाइस, तो अब हम नेक्स्ट पार्ट पे आते हैं इसके. इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट वी विल बी लर्निंग हाउ टू कन्वर्ट डेसिमल्स इनटू रैशनल नंबर्स. ओके, सो रैशनल नंबर्स मतलब क्या? विल बी हैविंग सर्टेन डेसिमल्स जिनको हमें p बाई q फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना होगा. Okay, so how do we do that? So 5.333, 5.3 bar दिया हुआ है. Now guys, what does this 5.3 bar means? It means 5.33333. This 3 is repeated infinitely. Okay, that's the meaning behind 5.3 recurring. Okay, let's call this number as x. Okay, now we realize that the problem here is with that 0.33333 coming out infinitely, isn't it? तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग दोनों बाजू अब 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. ओके, so you will have 53.333333 again infinite times. Infinity में से एक जीरो इधर कर दिया, क्या फर्क पड़ेगा, right? And the right hand side में you will have 10x now. Now subtract the first equation from the second. Okay, अब देखो, the first part has 5 plus 0.333 recurring. This part here has 53 plus 0.3 recurring. Okay, now when you subtract the left hand side guys, ये 0.3 recurring वाला part cancel हो जाएगा. It's ultimately 53 minus 5, and on the right hand side it's 10x minus x giving you 9x, right?
So we get 53 minus 5 equals to 9x, or x is 48 by 9.
Okay, let's go on to the next question of the lot. 0.58 recurring. Okay, so as I said previously guys, this is nothing but 0.585858. This will recur infinitely. Let's call this as x. Now like in the previous question सिर्फ एक digit 0.3 was repeating. Okay, यहाँ पे 0.58585858 is repeating, right? Two digits are repeating. So I multiply both sides by 100. Now when you subtract them, ये 0.58 cancel हो जाएगा. You are left with 58 minus 0, 58. 100x minus x is 99x. So the answer is x is 58 by 90. That's the value of 0.58 recurring. 1.16 recurring. Now यहाँ पे you realize that the question is 1.166666. Only the digit 6 is repeating infinite times, right? Okay, so first of all, in the previous question जो हमने देखे थे, all the points के बाद के numbers had directly the recurring part, but यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है. So what we need to do is we first need to multiply both sides by 10, so that after the decimal point directly we have the recurring part, just like the previous questions. So यहाँ पे sorry x नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पे you will have 10x. Okay, now it is like the previous questions only, right? Decimal point के बाद सीधा recurring part चालू हो रहा है. So यहाँ पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 10 से multiply 116.66666 recurring, and this will be 100x. So subtract them. Okay, 0.666 वाला part तो cancel हो जाएगा. 116 minus 11 will be 105 equals to 100 minus 10 will be 90x. Basically x is 105 by 90. Okay, you may cancel 15 also. 7 by 6 वही आंसर आएगा ultimately, right? Okay, 5.3 जब हमने 5.3 recurring solve किया था, last में we had 53 minus 5, 48, right? And the denominator was 10 minus 1, 9. Okay, in the next one we had 58 divided by 99, and in the previous one we solved we had 105 by 90. Okay, अब इसमें exactly देखो हो क्या रहा है. Okay, in the numerators, okay, we have up to the first repeating part minus the non-repeating part. Means let's see when you have 5.3, okay, हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, 5.33333 imagine कर रहे हैं. Okay, and we write 53. What is 53? The first repeating part छोड़ के what remains is 53, right? This 53 में से you subtract the non-repeating part, right guys? Same thing देखो हम लोग आगे भी कर रहे हैं. Okay, in 0.58 bar we have 0.58585858. Okay, what is the first repeating part? This 5 here, right? इसको छोड़ के what remains? This 058. From this you subtract the non-repeating part, which is 0. 58 minus 0. Same thing here. 1.166666. The first repeating part is the 6. पहला 6 जो repeat हुआ, it's this, right? उसको छोड़ के क्या बचेगा? 116. See? And the non-repeating part is this 2 ones, 11, right? So the numerator is pretty sorted in these questions. It is the first repeating part. Up to the first repeating part you write the number. From that you subtract the non-repeating part. Okay. Now talking about the denominators, let's observe for the first part we have 1 9. In the second question we had 2 nines. In the third one we had a 9 and a 0. कैसे मालूम पड़ा ये? देखो, the number of nines corresponds to the number of repeating digits. In the first question you had 5.3, only 3 repeats, right? So we have only 1 9 in the denominator. In the next question 0.58, 5 and 8, 2 digits are repeating, so we have 9 9. Okay. In the last question 1.16, okay, 6 is the repeating digit, right? Only one digit repeats, so we have only 1 9. Additionally, in the last question, decimal point के बाद सिर्फ एक number है which is not repeating, so we have a 0 also. उसको remove करने के लिए हमने 10 से multiply किया, remember? So denominator में क्या हो जाएगा? The number of nines will correspond to the number of repeating digits. Okay, अगर एक digit repeat हो रहा है तो एक 9 आएगा, दो पे 2 nines आएंगे, 3 पे 3 nines. All right, and the number of 0 basically corresponds to the number of non-repeating digits after the decimal point. Okay, so now we have a very quick shortcut to solve all these questions. So if I say 2.3567, I know the repeating first repeating वाले part तक क्या हो जाएगा? 23567. From this you subtract 235. The repeating digits are 99 and the non-repeating after points are 0. It's that simple now, right? So you can solve this now and get the answer on your own. So ये क्या हो जाएगा? 2 3 5 6 7, तो ये 2, this will be 3 and this will be 3. So 2,332 divided by 9900. I am sure something will get cancelled out, but I'm not doing that right now. In fact, you can cancel out 4 ऊपर नीचे, ये 4 का multiple है. We'll discuss all this आगे जाके anyway.